Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is your Mr. Singh. What a week. What a week. We had highs of $198, but on Friday we did close at $181 as market is about to close. Folks, this is some great news with Tesla coming in with the self-driving in China. Are we in uptrend? Are we in downtrend? Are we done yet? Folks, we are not done yet. Tesla is an alpha, beautiful company, and they are an alpha in the EV sector. So, well, before I start breaking down and give you more mind-blowing some technical analysis, what I'm thinking is going to be based on the technicals coming up, and which is a great news if you're a bull. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere yet. Well, this is my Model Y, as mentioned in my previous video. Love this car, folks. My next car, it is going to be the roller coaster that I have ordered a pre-video on that. So when it comes in, I will share that car as well. But this is another addition in the family of Tesla, and I'm excited about it. Do edit a referral code over there if you're interested to buy Tesla as well. Go ahead and check it out because you'll get some extra incentives using the referral code as well. Also, so this Tesla is Tesla stock. Why one investor is still shortening the EV maker? We hate when you have as a long-term investor to see that. So I want to cover this article and what is the reason behind it in this. So Tesla saw last week seeing the biggest one-day gain in 2024 after the company announced its acceleration launch of more affordable vehicle. But we're not to everyone is bullish. In Tesla, Prenime Capital co-founder, chief investment officer Edwin joins the calls and talks about have taken a short position on electric EV pioneer. We could easily see Tesla dropping 50%, he explains, citing a loss of market share as the electric competition heats up among the auto manufacturers. Also, some points of self-driving capabilities and robot taxi promises that continue to push off by CEO Elon Musk could have sold this outlook. So we know the robust is one of the things. I know not a lot everybody's talking about it. Self-driving and getting in China was a big approval, and I do understand there's the EV sector has taken a hit, big time taken a hit on that where it's supposed to be, but every company takes on that. Every company has a roller coaster ride comes to that, and the shift of sector is happening, and why it will entice more consumers to buy. Well, US loosen up some electric EV batteries rules. That is a big news for that, and also potential making moves on EV for eligible tax. So some state has that, not all this tax. In California, you do get $7,500 instant rebate if you buy a Tesla. So this was one of the good news on some, most of the states are willing to do that to increase the demand on that. Also, kind of off track on this Tesla. What are we looking at the weeks to come? Well, traders gamble the past week trading from the earnings of interest rate decision, the latest job data. Wall Street have kicked this week with a solid wins across the board while it's fear gauged. What does he mean by that? Well, it ended in April, however, turning the first monthly loss in 2024 unemployment cost index. The stocks were choppy towards the middle of the week after the economy added more jobs, analysis, and Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell all but ruled out other interest rates hiked, and central bank keep the rates steady though. So that was a fear, right? If you keep raising interest in certain things, banks get feared on that. It kind of the stability is not there in terms of the growth for the company as well, and the investors do not want to hear that, folks. Do not. Also, Elon Musk, Tesla sues Indiana company for trademark infringement report. Elon Musk has taken a legal action against Indian battery manufacturer who already violating its trademark by utilizing the name Tesla Power to the market its products. The lawsuit was filed in New Delhi and seeks compensation and a permanent injunction. During the court session at High Delhi Court this week, Tesla accused the Indian company Tesla Power India Private Limited promoting the products rather under the Tesla Power brand despite receiving a notice in 2022 cited. The Indian firm contended that its primary focus to producing a lead acid batteries and denied any plans to manufacture for electrical vehicles. The judge granted Indian company 3 weeks to provide a written response after presenting a documents in defense. So something to keep an eye on that, where Tesla headquarters, Delaware, Indian company is using the trademarks such as Tesla Power and Tesla Power USA. So something that to keep an eye. Everybody want to get the big, small piece of a big pie on Tesla's brand. Well, I loaded some more shares, so I'm up to 1,217 shares, and up to 15.82% great gains. My plan is to add up to 1,500 shares on Tesla, and I'm slowly adding it and waiting to see on the interest rate and job unemployment coming at the end of the month. That is some data that I'm watching at it on the dip if it happens, where I'm going to be jumping it, or even break out to the key levels, which I'm going to talk on the technical side, why my plan is to load it up as well. Also, this is another view of the Tesla car that I bought. If you're looking to buy another Tesla car or buying a Tesla, use the referral code. You will get a discounted price as well. Well, let's dive and talk about the technical analysis on the chart. Clearly, on the 1 month, this is a 1 month chart, folks. We already when we had this crossover not far ago on April 25th. I did mention, folks, there's a breakout coming in, and guess what? We did. We went all the way from 591 to 198. Granted, the self-driving was the biggest factor doing that, and then we kind of pull back and trading sideways. What was the reason behind it? Well, investors who loaded $138, there's no brainer, they're gonna sell it at $198 level to lock their profits if they are swing traders. For the long-term investors like me, we like to hold the shares and let it ride for a longer period, with the targeted price for my Tesla still stays the same, over $500. So $180.68 is the resistance level. On Monday we did close. On Friday we closed on $118.91 above on the moving averages. Still an indication for another run coming up. Shifting the gear to the 3 months, definitely you see the pains of $205 all the way. Then we made our new sideways trading loading zone area. Then we broke through to $138 level, and now we are across that level and we're testing it. So my moving average still kind of stays the same. You can clearly see that the 60-day moving average was acted as a support when we did have this pullback, and then now it's going to be acting as support. We had this crossover confirmation, which is great to see. You can see we did have the sell-off on the end of the week, kind of after 198. But end of Friday, guess what, folks? We see a green bar just came produced on that right up here, which is a fabulous news on that. So a reversal is intent, back again coming in on Monday, until granted some bearing news on the economy comes in. So we're gonna change this level to a yellow, because now it's gonna become a support level, and we're gonna wait and see if it kind of holds or it's kind of break during that level. I'm gonna kind of fix my chart. I know some of you guys can't see it due to this not kind of lined up correctly. So you can clearly see that support level still stays the same. But what I'm gonna do, actually move these two other support level at the bottom, kind of have the chart a little bit clear, because what's the support level gonna be? It's gonna be our moving average. We're sitting at $177.70, and then all the way back at $171.24, and then those are the moving average. Once we broke through this moving average, if something happens, then I will start making my support level. Well, my support level still stays the same. That is $205. Shifting the gear to the 3 months chart, you can clearly see that $205.65 was the support resistance that we couldn't break, and we got rejected. And that is one of the reasons that I am still gonna have it as my one of the resistance that need to break it out. So, and you can clearly see that we came close to about 198, and the reason we didn't break it, because you can clearly see that I'm going to shift this gear to right over here. Definitely I missed it. That point right here was the right what's resistance and the support level. Why didn't break? Because you can clearly see that we traded on this two moving average was our support, and now it is becoming a resistance level, and it is going to be right up here at $199.05. So 205 is going to be the next one to break, and definitely we can go higher than that, which I'm going to have my technical right here, and that is going to be coming right back at $215 level. So $215 level, we gotta keep an eye moving forward. And the reason behind I said it is right up here, that massive level right up here and right around here. So $215 to $215 level that we gotta keep an eye for our next target area to reach out. So definitely on the 6 months, we did close the massive gap. Massive gap we closed on that. But remember, the last time we did that, we came all the way to 138, but we closed up at the biggest gap over here. Last time there was a big 2 gaps, but that's are kind of trading each over. So the 60-day is sitting at $173.51. And the pink line, which is my 200, is sitting at $173.90. So pink line is still over under the blue line, which we want to see that. Don't want to see that, and to create that. So that is some great moving averages showing another reversal is coming with Tesla, and I'm excited. I'm excited about this growth of the company has been performing it, outperforming everybody else. With this huge dip came in, you can clearly see that everything is pointing towards a reversal back again. But we're gonna wait and see towards the short-lived or no. So key things, we're gonna break that 2 levels, 199. 206 and 217 for a complete reversal confirmation. But everything on the 1 month, you can clearly see that we have broke through on 1 month, crossover, confirmation of uptrend. 3 months, we have a confirmation of uptrend as well right up here. And we're in the 6 months right as well, we are close that gap beautifully close that gap right up here. And I want to kind of break it down for you guys. So folks, here you go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification so don't miss anything with Tesla. If you're interested to buy Tesla, please comment down below. I can help you guys if you have any question to buying about the car or the stock. Same as that. I will answer you guys if you guys have any questions. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Thank you.